Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy YouTube video link in mobile in 2022. We'll start off by opening up our YouTube app. This works on both Android and iOS, so just follow the steps I'm taking. The next part would be for you to search and find the video that you want to share the YouTube link for. For me, I'll say this one. What you can now do is at the bottom, you can see like, dislike, and then share. So what you want to do is click the share button next to the create shorts. So click share, and in here you have all the options that you can use to share this YouTube video link. But the easiest one would be to click copy link in the top left. And now that you've copied the YouTube video link in your mobile, you can go anywhere. So let's say you want to go to your browser, you can hold it for a long time and then click paste. Now click go, and we should see the video we just copied the link for. There you go. That's the link we just copied the link for. Now, that's the way you can copy YouTube video link in mobile in 2022. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.